Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa have some beautiful 九节虾, deep sea prawn with me. This is the bigger size, 1 kg, I think about 16 pieces. So this is half a kg. How many pieces? 16 to 18 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Never mind. I have approximately 10 pieces of big deep sea prawn here with me. What I did was I cut off the pointy part and I devein it and I actually split it into half like this. Yeah. Okay. Because this prawn is very thick, so it's easier to steam this way. And I'm going to use golden and silver garlic to steam this. So what do we mean by golden and silver garlic? Silver garlic we means raw garlic. Golden garlic we actually means the fried garlic. Yeah. So first of all, let me give it some ginger as well. Then give it some saucing wine. Some fine salt. Then the raw garlic. I will put the fried garlic towards the end. Right, then we can put this into the steamer. All right, so preheat your steamer. Then I'm going to put in the fish. I'm actually steaming two things at the same time. Let me see if I can put in the fish and the prawn together. Can, no problem. But the prawn only around 4 minutes. The fish will be 10 minutes. Right, this is after about the first 5 minutes. I'm going to take out the prawn first. Oh, the steam. Check out the prawn. Look at the color. Oh my God. So I'm going to take it out first. We still need the gold garlic, yeah? Right, now the prawn is fully cooked. We have the ginger and the silver raw garlic. Now we need to add the golden garlic. This is how they call it. This is a fried garlic. This is why they call it the golden silver garlic steamed prawn. Yeah, 金银蒜 steamed prawn. So it's basically done. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.